Good afternoon.
My name is Rashid Alfa. I'm from Al Khalid School in Tilia. As I said, actually, I've worked in two different schools this year. The first session was in Al Khalid School in Tilia, where I started the institution project, which is based on having a program throughout 3 years where we have to establish competencies for students in languages, English, French and Arabic, and I tried to insist on English and having English throughout the 3 years in this program. The second project was Al Khalid Resource Center project, which is made by the support of thanks to Sir Latif Zubair. On one of his visits to the institution, we discussed about this project, and on the same week he tried to help and gave some books to the institution when we started this project. We launched the brochure contest. It is the brochure for the center, the resource center, where the students competed to have the best brochure for this center, and it is displayed here. The second institution is Abu Firas Middle School in Tikimi. I started with different projects. The first one was students' projects containing presentations and PowerPoints and videos and different other paper-based projects. The second part is anti-drugs campaign. What I noticed on discussions of students, and they asked me to have this topic during the year, and we insisted on having this topic with the students and trying to give them what are the problems that drugs can create in the schools and try to avoid them in their opinion. Another one was the police district presentation on cyber criminality and the dangers of the internet. It was an opportunity to invite some police department people in the English classroom to discuss this problem with the students, and they try to how to secure yourself as a student on the net. It was a fruitful topic, and my students benefited a lot from this. Thank you very much, and well.